kids! Welcome to our online reading tutorial for children, Day 5. In our previous lessons, we have learned the letter sounds A, B, T, M, K. Please repeat, kids. Good job! Do this activity. Match the capital letter from each small letter. Let's check capital or big letter A to small letter A. Big letter T to small letter T. Big letter C to small letter C. Big letter B to small letter B. Big letter M to small letter M. Good job! Let's read more. Ant, tag, bag, cat, cab, tap, bat, cat, mat, man. Now kids, it's your turn. Good job! Do this activity. Write the missing letter. Let's check your work. Number 1, letter A. The sound is A. A is for ant. Number 2, K. Cat. 3, B. Bag. K. Cab. Mad. T. Tag. K. Cat. T. Tap. A. Bat. Man. You are awesome! That's all for today, kids. See you in our Day 6 lesson. Goodbye!